In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bitmoji to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the Bitmoji extension installed, pinned for quick access, signed in, and ready to drop your personalized stickers into Docs, Slides, Gmail, and more. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This works best on the desktop version of Chrome, and keeping the browser up to date helps everything install smoothly. Once Chrome is open, head to the Chrome Web Store. That's Google's official marketplace for extensions that add new features to your browser. At the top of the store, click in the search bar and type Bitmoji. In the results, look for the Bitmoji extension and click it to open its page. On that page, select Add to Chrome. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download it and set it up automatically. You might see a brief notification confirming it's ready. After the installation finishes, make it easy to reach. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the Extensions icon, the little puzzle piece. You'll see a list of your extensions. Find Bitmoji, then click the pin icon next to it. Pinning places the Bitmoji icon on your toolbar so it's always just one click away. If you don't see it immediately, open the puzzle piece menu again. New extensions can be tucked away there until you pin them. Now click the Bitmoji icon on the toolbar to open it. You'll be prompted to log in using either your Snapchat account or your Bitmoji account. Choose whichever you already use. Once you sign in, your Bitmoji avatar and sticker library will sync automatically. The first sync can take a moment if you have a lot of stickers, so give it a second to load. You're signing in through Snap's secure window, and your existing avatar settings carry over, so there's nothing extra to set up. With that done, you can start using Bitmoji across Chrome. In Google Slides and Docs, open your file, place your cursor where you want a sticker, then pick a Bitmoji from the extension and copy and paste it into your document. The same workflow applies in Gmail, most websites, and many web-based chat apps. Some sites handle images a little differently, so if a sticker doesn't appear right away, try pasting in a field that supports images or place the cursor in a new line before pasting. That's all you need to add Bitmoji to Chrome and start using it right away. Keep the icon pinned for quick access and have fun adding personality to your emails, documents, and presentations.